Martini. This is the dumbest thing you've had me do yet, Aaron. Let's just make the damn drink. Ha! It's a weird combination. Pamela apple. Pamela apple. Actually, Pamelapple. No, actually, I think it's Pamelapple. Pamelapple. I don't know what that means. It looks like a weird combination of stuff. Well, let's make it. Let's see what we get. All right. First up is vanilla vodka. We want 2 ounces. I'm going to measure this one so we can be precise. That way we can give it a fair review. 2 ounces vanilla vodka. 1/2 ounce butterscotch schnapps. 1/2 ounce. Yeah, butterscotch, 1/2 ounce. Half ounce. This is such a weird combination, man. 1/2 ounce sour apple. What did they call it? Sour apple liqueur. And that's exactly what it is. And it's 1/2 ounce. Holy crap. This is weird, man. It's just, but what do I know? Maybe it's like the best drink ever. I don't know. And LIQUEUR 43. That's our villain. That's our vanilla. It's our villain. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. 1/4 ounce. Well. And there you have it. Pamelapple, Pamelapple. Say it 3 times and you own it. All right, let's pop in some ice here. And not sure why we're shaking it. Maybe, I'm not sure. But that's what the book says to do. I would be more inclined to stir it, I think. But, okay, shake it up. Shake it like a apple. All right, that's pretty good. Ooh, it went all frothy on me. Cool. Get my chilled martini glass out of the freezer. Okay, let's fine strain this into this wonderfully chilled martini style glass. It's a nice color. And they don't have any garnish, so we'll just follow this as is. Let's give it a go. This is the hang on. That's really weird, man. It's really vanilla driven. Obviously, I mean, you've got vanilla vodka, you've got LIQUEUR 43. That's the first taste, is the vanilla. Then the butterscotch comes in and almost takes over. And you know the weird part is, the sourpuss, I don't taste it at all. Yeah, it's like not even there. the weirdest thing. It tastes okay. I think I'd probably enjoy this more on ice. Just build it over ice. Bum bum. This has really got me bothered. You know, like why? I guess these guys here, they're like, they're teaming up against the sourpuss. We used a half an ounce. Let's, maybe I won't. Not yet.
When?
Tomorrow.
When are you gonna make this again? Honestly,
you meet me here tomorrow. What can I say about it?
we're not telling our viewers to tune in tomorrow to make another Pamelapple Ding Dong.
Pamelapple. I like that name better, actually, Aaron.
What is it called? Pamelapple?
Like if I can't get my tongue around the name, Pamelapple.
I can smell the vanilla from here.
Can you?
Yeah.
Really? Pamelapple. Pamelapple. Pamelapple.
It's
I think
Pamelapple.
Pamelapple. Pamelapple.
Say goodnight, Bruce.
No, hang on. All right. Yeah. Like, why did they even add this? You know? Let's add another 1/4 ounce there, thereabouts. Yeah, I still don't smell. Oh, maybe a faint hint. Maybe it needs like an apple garnish, and that way, you know, you trick your taste buds into believing there's apple in this. I don't know. Maybe apple's designed for the color. You know, the sourpuss, the green, right? Maybe, I don't know.
The last part of the name is apple.
I know. That's what's so screwed up about this thing. There it is. Ah, it's not as good. Now it's like,
So Bruce, is it a martini?
No. Pamelapple.
Let's just cut to the recipe. Like, are we ever going to come across a martini in any of these?
Probably not.